Here's the 130th Street beach access point. We'll see what the storm aftermath is. Here's Anchorage 2, unscathed for the dunes. Surf is still howling out there. So the wind blew all the sand from the dune down here. I mean, that's probably 6 foot high. This is used to be all open, now it's all totally covered. And this is where you normally walk out to the beach. Wow. That's the top of the fence right here that I'm basically standing on. Here's another probably 4 foot wall of sand you gotta climb over to get to the beach. Wow. And here's the top of the fence that my foot is on, basically. And this is our beach. Totally gone. Not sure if I can get down here or not. It's a little hairy. Oh, wow. This is our beach. These waves are still coming in here. Look at that. That's probably 8 foot high right there. Fence. This is what's left of the fence, and this was a rope that showed the very beginnings of the dune. Look at that. And this is, I'll show you how high it is. So you can see how high this is taken away. That's probably, 20 feet up there left of the dune. Well, actually the dune is fine, but all this before is gone. Crazy. And this water's not quite coming up to the edge, but unbelievable. Well, there you have it.